Sis Dread. Your Sis Dreadlin. Fairy. Madam, Sis Joanne. Konsulta. Dalawang Joanne B, ha? Baka malito ko. Next. Large XL. Code ng ribbon. Ribbon. Ay. Sis, pasend ako screenshot ng down payment. Sis Z.
This is Marjeline.
Azul. Sis Abby U. Salva. Okay na? Sis Abby U. Yours is Abby U. Thank you so much. Next. Wrap around, medium size, powder. Powder. Medium powder. Ribbon, Sis Aleza. Sis Aleza, okay na? Yours, Sis Aleza. Next. Cuello. Sis Abby U. Salva. Cuello. Next, large XL, stretch. Stretch, large XL. Code ng stretch. Next, small royal. Mine royal small. Royal. Pero, nakita ko yung kanina rin. Nag-notice naman. Medium size, code design. Mine design. Next, small. Sexy. Code ng sexy. Stretch, Sis Aleza. Yours is Aleza Sexy. Next. Large XL. Code na lang Diwata. Diwata. Sexy is skate for you. Yours is skate. Next palis, pabakuna style. Small size. Code ng lace. Mine lace. Design is Jenilyn Villaruel. Design. Next. May tali sa waist. Small, medium. Pabayas cut to. Code ng pula. Pula. Next. Brand new with tag. Ganyan yung likod pa open. Small to med, bago. Bago. Small med, bago. Next is Josephine. Small, medium, mustard. Mustard. Next. Pasabog. Small med, ganyan likod. Code na lang dito, event. Event. Lace, yours is dread. Sis dread, lace. Next. Small med, halter. Halter. Pula, Sis Aleza. Yours is Aleza pula. Next. XL double. Code ng doble. Mine doble. XL double.